Hello, I am Sean Howe, playing for the makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. Nagulat rin ako nung nakasali ako kasi alam ko sobrang galing na liga to. And all I just want to say is thank you kay Godren and sa support ng mga coaches ko. Sila Coach Britt, Coach Renren, Coach Eugene, Coach Joseph, Coach Ricky, and also sa parents ko kay mom, dad, and Achi, yung Achi ko sa bahay. And my lola. Yun lang, nagpapasalamat na ako kasi once in a lifetime experience rin kasi to. So, savor the moment lang talaga.
Hi, my name's Sam Paras. I'm from Davao King Torrens Engineer Field, Portland. To be in the All-Star game, it's of course a privilege, it was a little bit unexpected for me, and I'm very grateful because I think that it can help give me a lot of opportunities to be discovered. I'm very excited to play in the All-Star game, to meet new friends, and of course, we're gonna try to win and have fun.
Name is Kenji Yobji Moral from Quezon City. Siyempre po masaya dahil first time All-Star yung Junior MPBL. Then napasama po ako. Siyempre, masaya din na marami din ako nakakilala na ibang-ibang player and yung mga player din sa school.
I'm Jacob Hizon from QC Junior Giant 1600. I'm really excited about this na may great opportunities ako makakalaro with other players. I feel great that I'm playing the All-Star game and I'm really happy to represent my city and my school since our team is all consisting of Xavier players of 1400.
My name is Mark Christian D. Cuevas from Quezon City 2828 Junior Giants. Sobrang saya po. Di ko din po in-expect na mapapasali ako dito kasi ang una ko rin ang gusto ko rin po talaga po, manalo na po talaga kami at makakuha yung championship.
Ako nga po pala si Deng Chat Tato from San Juan Mighty Warriors. Siyempre, masaya po at blessed din na nakasali po sa All-Star Game MPBL.
Hello, ako nga pala po si Sean Lucido from San Juan Mighty Warriors. Siyempre po, masaya dahil minsan na lang po yung All-Star game dito sa Junior MPBL. Siyempre, nakaka-excite at siyempre, gagawin ko po yung best ko para maglaro sa All-Star game.
My name is Derek Ipatrati Duterte. Polo JY Titans. Sobrang saya ko po na nakapunta ako sa All-Star. First time ko lang din po na makapasok sa PBL.
Hi, my name is Emmanuel Robert Coyunising. I'm from the Antipolo JY Titans. Masaya po at saka magiging experience po to sa akin kasi first time ko pa lang po mag-All-Star sa PBL.
Ako po pala si John Patrick Eman from Valenzuela Classic. Masaya po kasi nasama po ako sa All-Star kasi hindi ko rin po akalain makapasok po ako.
Ako si Jan Galganapi from Ligawayan, Bulacan. Nag-check po sa All-Star Game kasi first time po. First time po sa MPBL ng All-Star Game at nakasali po ako. Si Minsa Lambot.
Wala, continue to play basketball lang talaga kasi feeling ko that's what we're here to do naman talaga. And of course, have fun. Kasi bihira lang naman talaga. Who would have thought na gagawang Junior MPBL na All-Star game?
My strategy is the most just have fun, make friends with them, make the best out of it since this is a rare opportunity. Of course, I'm gonna work harder than ever, work on my game, and since we're gonna try to win, I'm gonna prepare myself mentally and physically for the All-Star game on August 25.
Kilala ko naman yung mga ibang players. So, nakausap ko din sila. So, prepare na lang ako ng individual ko. Just to communicate. And then, just keep working on my games, do the stuff that I usually do in practice. And just make friends, I guess.
Gagawin ko na lang, mag-adjust na ako sa kanila. Siyempre, bagong team, kailangan din mag-adjust para makuha din ang panat.
May pagband lang po sa mga ibang teammates ko para magkaroon po kami ng chemistry since medyo meron naman po akong makakilala sa akin.
Preparation ko lang po ay magsaya lang po at gawin ko lang po ang mga kinakaya ko para sa larong All-Star game.
Mag-ensayo na mag-ensayo.
Siyempre, depensa muna bago offensive. Paghihirapan tulad siya mag-training po.
Kung sino po yung magiging kampi ko, makikinig na lang po sa kanila and makikiteammates na lang po kahit di po ako magkakakilala. And magpo-focus na lang ako sa game.
Please watch the All-Star game and please continue to support Junior MPBL and of course makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors.
Manood po kayo and sumuporta sa August 25, Junior MPBL All-Star Game.
Game in MPBL, August 25, it's on a Sunday. Come show some love and support. Thank you.
Hi guys, sa Junior MPBL All-Stars sa August 25 sa Sunday, gaganapin siya sa Binyan Alonte. Ayun lang guys. Nood kayo, kita-kits.
Watch our All-Star Games, MPBL, Junior Basketball League, and hopefully you all come there and show some love and support.
Manood po kayo sa August 25, All-Star and Junior MPBL. Supportahan niyo po ang Junior MPBL. Sana marami pong
Sabitan niyo po kami sa All-Star Game dito sa Junior MPBL and sa Pinyan Lagos.
Watch and support the Junior PBL All-Star Game August 25 in Pinion.
Watch and support us in this upcoming MPBL All-Star Game.
Please support po yung upcoming All-Star Game in Junior MPBL. At syempre, supportan niyo po ako at mga kampi ko sa paparating na All-Star Game.
Invite ko po yung mga friends ko and also my teammates to watch the game. And also my parents to watch it.
Supportan niyo po sa North na All-Star PBL. 1600.
Come and watch Junior MPBL All-Star Game with us.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.